Welcome to this video where we show you the benefits of the GERSTEL olfactory detection port number 4. We have divided this video in 3 sections: the sniffing port hardware, the fraction collector configuration and the olfactory data interpreter software. Here we show you the 3 versions from the past. The main focus in the development of the ODP4 was the accurate presentation of individual compounds to the human nose, that without adulteration, for best possible identification and determination. It is important to note that extensive user surveys have been incorporated into this 4th generation. This is a simple but proven design. The analytes coming from the GC column are divided by a splitter or capillary flow technology device into the MS and olfactory detector. The parallel analytical detection by any GC detector can be set up with a user-defined split ratio. The voice-to-text feature allows distraction-free, eyes-closed operation. No distraction sliders, color-coded buttons or descriptor templates are needed. Voice-to-text technology is used to produce descriptors directly from the analyst comments during the olfactory session.
Smoky,
The comments are stored in order to clarify descriptors if needed,
moldy,
and all descriptors can be modified within the report when necessary.
vanilla.
The ODP can be optimized for individual preferences in terms of ergonomic position, flows and humidity. Easily conforms to the analyst's preferred position through flexible heated transfer line and support arm. The right adapter for every nose. Depending on individual preferences of the analysts, different setups can be used. In the right configuration, a guidepost is provided so that the analyst can place their nose at the same position each time. All configurations ensure an unretained release of the components to the nose, even with difficult analytes, as shown here in an original chromatogram. The ring and guidepost are easily replaced so that each analyst can have their own personal interface. In the next section we talk about the fraction collector. The sniff and trap function allows eluent collection at any retention time. With an easy installation of the sorbents tube, just plug and trap. In this chromatogram you see 3 co-eluting peaks at the right hand side. With a small modification of the ODP4 we convert it to a fraction collector. The conversion is very simple. The glass cone and the Teflon disc are removed and the adapter is used for the trap. The trap tube is now inserted at the time of the co-eluting peaks. After collecting the peaks of interest, the tube will be stored on the tray. Then we run the co-eluted analytes from the first example on a different column and got baseline separated peaks. In the last section we take a look at the ODP data analyzer software. The olfactory data interpreter is based on the GERSTEL Enterprise Edition powered by OpenChrome. The OpenChrome GERSTEL Enterprise Edition arranges views in perspective. The concept supports certain kind of views on your data. Windows can be rearranged, maximized and minimized, depending on what you actually need. The cumulative olfactogram displays intensities versus duration of detected odor regions. When a sample is evaluated in a multiple dilutions or multiple panelists, the resulting olfactograms are combined and presented in cumulated form. The ODI software adds the respective odor intensities and displays the cumulative value. This screenshot shows how the total ion chromatogram data in red is overlapped with the compound intensity data in yellow and the text annotation obtained from the speech-to-text feature. Identification of MS data can be performed using the NIST library, and retention indices can also be calculated if retention time calibration is performed. AEDA, the most common approach to understand what the key aroma compounds are in your natural sample or in a competitor's product. Basically, you do GCO runs of a dilution series, which each step diluted by a factor of 2. The compounds which are still present in the lowest dilution have the highest dilution factor. If you look at the drop-down list, you can see there is a panel algorithm available. This is very similar, but you do not look at dilutions, but at the number of panelists that are able to detect the aroma-active compounds. This number is then called detection frequency and will be calculated for each GCO peak from the panel data. This is related to the sniff technique, the square of nasal impact frequency. This was a short overview of the GERSTEL olfactory detection port number 4, consisting of the new hardware, the fraction collector and the olfactory data interpreter software. For more detailed information, please send us an email or call us. Thank you very much for viewing this video.